People, this Sunday on Sunday Night Live, hot topics.
Cartel's engagement and Poppy and Cartel link up.
Plus, the big actress, Deon Silvera, top tier actress out of Jamaica. You better watch it and tune in. Yeah.
Oh, so you know about the push button things them where them used to lie. And the air conditioner and the labor down the seat and the thing that you know about that too.
Yes. Sound more like over to me.
We shall soon be joined as man and wife.
Too much information.
Oliver, at 2 weeks now me die. And can't make no head with the renovations.
When you know me love a mix up already. Donald Trump win the election.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
Oh, one more thing. I better pay Sheena, man. Pay this man. Bartender pre-premiere party. November what? 30th. Remember, Incognito vacation stay. Check in. Make it a date. Don't be late.